Did you know that deleting an app from your Android phone doesn't always mean you're completely finished with it? Before you uninstall your next app, there is one simple step you should know. So today, I will show you a simple and safe way to clean an app's data before removing it. Let's get started. Step 1. Find the app. First, find the app you want to remove. You can find it on your home screen or inside your app drawer. Now press and hold the app icon. You'll see several options appear, but instead of immediately tapping uninstall, look for app info. Step 2. Open storage. You should now be inside the settings for that specific app. Look for storage, tap it. Here you will see information about how much space the app is using. You may see things like app size, user data cache, total storage. This is where you can check what the app has stored on your phone. Step 3. Clear the app data. Now look for clear data, tap it. Your phone will show you a warning. Pay close attention to this message. All of this application's data will be deleted permanently. This includes all files, settings, accounts, databases, etc. So don't do this blindly. If you're completely finished with the app and don't need any of its stored information, tap delete. Step 4. Clear the cache. If your phone gives you a separate clear cache option, you can also clear the cache. Cache is temporary data that an app creates to help it load things faster. Clearing it is generally safe, but remember, clearing cache and clearing data are not the same thing. Clear cache removes temporary files, clear data resets the app and removes its stored information. Step 5. Now uninstall the app. Once you've finished clearing the data, go back to the previous screen. Now tap uninstall, confirm the uninstall, and that's it. The app has now been removed from your phone. But here is something important. Don't assume that manually deleting random folders from your file manager is necessary every time you uninstall an app. Modern versions of Android manage app storage differently, and some apps may legitimately leave folders behind for downloads, media, or other files. So don't start deleting random folders just because their names look unfamiliar. You could accidentally remove photos, videos, documents, or files you actually need. Instead, use Android's built-in storage and app settings first. Now check your storage. Want to see what's actually taking up space? Open Settings. Tap Device Care. Now tap Storage. The exact menu name can vary depending on your Samsung model and Android version. Look through the categories and find what's using the most storage. You may discover that apps aren't even your biggest problem. It could be videos, downloads, large files, or even apps you haven't used in months. That's where you can make a much bigger difference. If you found this useful, hit the like button and subscribe to Lifehacks Hacks for more simple Samsung and Android tips, and tell me in the comments, what's the biggest app you've ever deleted from your phone? I'll see you in the next video.